Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. In the previous video, we have discussed how to find the rank of matrix of order 3 cross 3. Now we will find the rank of matrix of order 4 cross 4. So here we have to find the matrix of order 4 cross 4, that is given matrix A equal to 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, 6 and minus 7. So first what we have to make here, we have to make this as 0, next this 2 as 0, next this 3 as 0. So first we will perform elementary transformation, that is we will make this as 0, that is we are changing the row 2, that is R2 dash equal to R2 minus 2R1, so this will be 0. Next R3 dash equal to R3 minus R1, then next this will be 0. Next R4 dash equal to R4 plus R1, so plus 1 and minus 1 will become 0. So next we will write, that is the matrix. We are not changing the first row, so we can write this as it is, that is 1, 2, minus 1, 4. So next we are changing here row 2. Row 2, R2 minus 2R1. R2 minus 2R1 means 2 minus 2. That is nothing but R2 minus R1. That is nothing but 2 minus 2. That is 0. Next 4 minus 2 into 2. That is also 0. Next 3 minus 2 into minus 1. This will be plus 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Next 5. 5 minus 2 into R1, that is 4. That is 2 4 is 8. That is 5 minus 8 will be minus 3. So that is minus 3. Next our row 3. Row 3, what is row 3? R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Next 2 minus 2, that is 0. Next 3 minus of minus 1, that will be plus 4, that is 3 plus 1 will be 4. Next minus 4, that is minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8. Next the row 4. Row 4 is R4 plus R1. R4 plus R1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. Next minus 2 plus 2, this is also 0. Next 6 minus 1, that is 5. Next minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. So here second row and fourth row are similar. So by using the second row, we can make the fourth row as 0. So we will make the fourth row, that is R4 dash equal to R4 minus R2. So your matrix will be 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 0, 0, 5, minus 3, 0, 0, 4, minus 8, and we are changing the row 4. We are changing the row 4. That is 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, minus 3 plus 3, that is 0. So here the leading element is 1. The element below the leading element is 0. If this row contains 2 zeros, then the next row should contain 3 zeros. So now we have to make this as 0. So to make this as 0, what we will do here? First we will reduce this row, that is R3 dash equal to 1 by 4 into R3, 1 by 4 into R3. So it will be 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 0, 0, 5, minus 3, that is 0, 0, 1, 1, and minus 8, that is minus 2, that is 4 to the 8. Next, the last row will be 0. So now we have to make this 0. So first what we will do here, we will change the row 2 with the row 3. So what we will do here, we will change the row with the row 3, that is R3 changes to R2, that is 1, 2, minus 1, 4. We are changing R3, that is 0, 0, 1, minus 2. Next 0, 0, 5, minus 3. In the last row is 0, 0, 0, and 0. So now we will make this term as easily 0. So what will change here, R3 dash equal to R3 minus 5. We will make, to make this as 0, we have to multiply 5 here, 5 R2, we have to multiply 5 R2. So your matrix will be 1, 2, minus 1, 4, 0, 0, 1, minus 2. Next you are changing row 3, so 0, 0, 5, that is row 3 is 5, 5 minus 5 into 1, this will be 0. Next minus 3 minus 5 of minus 2, that is minus 5 into minus 2, that is plus 10. Minus 3 plus 10 will be plus 7. Plus 7, and your last row will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, the rank of this matrix will be 3 because it has 3 non-zero rows. That is, therefore, rank of a matrix A will be 3 because this has 3 zeros. We can make this as also 1, but this is not necessary. We are just finding the rank of the matrix, and here we want the only number of non-zero rows, that is nothing but rank of the matrix. So we will consider another example, that is, so your fifth problem is find the rank of the matrix of order 4 cross 4. So we will consider this matrix as A, that is 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 7, 0, 2, 4, minus 5, 1, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 6. This is the order of the this matrix will be 4 cross 4, but here the elements are not in the definite order. So what we will do here, we will interchange the rows, so it is easy to find the rank of the matrix by taking the leading element as 1 and its below term as 0. So what we will do here is, we will take this as a row 1 and we will take this as a row 2. So to find the rank of matrix, it will be easy. We will change, that is, we are changing here, that is R3 dash equal R3 row 3 as a row 1, and we are changing the row 4 as row 2. We are changing the row 4 as row 2. So matrix, we are changing the row 3 to row 1, that is, we will change, that is 1, minus 2, 1. Next we are changing R4 to row 2. Now this will be R4, that is 0, 1, 1, minus 6. Next we have to write the first row as the third row, that is 3, minus 2, -1, -7. Next the second row as the last row, that is 0, 2, 4, -5. Here now the leading element is 1 and its below term is 0. Next we have to make this 2 as 0 and next this 3 as 0. So to do this, what we have to do, perform elementary transform here is we have to change this, that is R3 dash equal to R3 minus 3 R1 and that is R4. We will take R4 in the next transformation. So first we will change this R3, that is R3 minus 3 R1. R3 minus 3 R1. We will write the first row as it is, that is 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1. Next is 0, 1, 1, minus 6. And next is we are changing the row 3, that is R3 minus 3 R1. 3 minus 3 will be 0. Next minus 2, minus 2. Next is that is R3. R3 is nothing but minus 2, minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2. That is minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Plus 6 minus 2 will be plus 6 minus 2 will be plus 4. Next, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 of minus 2 again, that is plus 6 minus 1, that is 5. Next, that is R3, minus 7, minus 7 of minus 3 into 1, that is minus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus of 3 into 1, that is minus 3, minus 7 minus 3 will be minus 10, minus 10. So we will write the last row as it is, that is 0, 2, 4, minus 5. So next what we have to do here, we have to make this term as 0 and next make this term as 0. So we will perform elementary transformation, that is R2, sorry, we are changing here row 3, we have to make this as 0, that is R3 dash equal to R3 minus 4 times of R2. 4 times of R2 means this will be 0. Next we will change R4 dash equal to R4 minus 2 times of R2. So your matrix will be 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 6. So next you are changing R3, R3 minus 4 R2. The first term will be 0 and next R3, that is 4 minus 4 will be 0. Next 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4 will be 1. Next that is minus 10, minus 10 of minus 4 into minus 6, that is 4 6 is 24, that is plus 24, plus 24 minus 10 will be plus 14. Next that is 0, R4 minus 2 R1, 2 minus, that is 2, 2 minus 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 2 will be 0. Next 4, that is 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 into R2, that is 1. 4 minus 2 will be 2. Next is minus 5, minus 5 of minus 2 into minus 6, 2 6 is 12, that is minus 5 plus 12 will be 7. This is the matrix. So next elementary transformation will be, we have to make this as 0. To make this as 0, what we will do here, we can make take use of the row 3, that is R4 dash equal to R4 minus 2 R3, R4 minus 2 R3, that is R4 minus 2R3, that is we can write it as 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 0 1 1 minus 6 0 0 1 14, and we are changing the last row, that is 0 minus 0 0 0 R4 minus 2 R3, that is 2 minus 2 will be 0. Next 7 minus 14 to the 28, 28 minus 7 will be 7, that is we are changing R4 minus 2 R3, your row 4 is 7. 7 minus 2 into 14, that is minus 28, minus 28 plus 7 will be minus 21. So further, so this is your leading element 1, its below term is 0, and its next row has 2 zeros, and its again next the row 4 has 3 zeros. This is of the echelon form of matrix. So we can make this as 1, or we can leave as it is. So we it is just we have to find, we are finding here rank of the matrix. So therefore here the rank of this matrix will be 4, because here the number of non-zero rows are only 4. The last term contains the single element. So your 4 cross 4 matrix has the rank 4. And the sixth problem is, that is 4 cross 4 matrix. So we can consider this as minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 1 2 3 minus 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 minus 1. So first we will change this row, that is we will change R2 to R1, so we can get the leading element as 1. We can change this R2 to R1, we can change this R2 to R1, that is matrix minus, sorry, we are changing here R2 to R1, so we will take row 2 as row 1, that is 1 2 3 minus 1, and now the second row will be minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1. The third row will be 1 0 1 1, and the fourth row will be 0 1 1 minus 1. So next what we have to make here, we have to make this term as 0. So to make this term as 0, we will perform elementary transformation, that is R2 dash equal to R2 plus 2 R1, so that this term will become 0. We are making this term as 0, that is R2 dash equal to R2 plus 2 R1, that is we can write first row as it is, that is 1 2 3 minus 1. We are changing the row 2, that is minus 2 plus 2 0, that is minus 1 plus 4, that is nothing but we can write here, that is R2 plus 2 R1. R2 plus 2 R1 means we can write first row 2, that is minus 1 plus 2 into R1, that is 2. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 1 will be 3. Next minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 into 3. 2 3 is the 6. 6 minus 3 will be again 3. Next minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1, minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 2 will be, that is minus 3. So your matrix contains 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 minus 1. To make this term as 0, we will take use of the row first, that is R3 dash changes to R3 minus R1, R3 dash equal to R3 minus R1, that is 1 2 3 minus 1 0 3 3 minus 3 minus 3, or again also we can take here R2 dash equal to 1 by 3 R2, so we can make this as 1 1. We can take this as R2 dash equal to 1 by 3 R2 means 1 by 3 R2 means this will be 1 1, this will be minus 1. So now we are changing R3, that is R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0 minus 2 will be, this is minus 2, and R3 minus R1, that is 1 minus 3 will be 1 minus 3 will be minus 2, and again 1 plus 1, that is R3 is 1, 1 minus of minus 1 will be 1 plus 1, that is 2, and the last term is 0 1 1 minus 1. So you are now the second row and the fourth row are similar. So by using the second row we will make this term as this element as 0, and we can divide the third row by 2 or multiply the third row by 2, that is R3 dash equal to, that is minus 1 by 2 R2, 1 minus 1 by 2 into R2, and R4 dash equal to R4 minus R2. So your matrix will be 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1. We are multiplying with 1 by minus 1 by 2, so this will be 1, this will be 1, and now this will be minus 1. So now this term will be 0, that is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So now what we have to make here, now this row 2 and row 3 are similar, now we have to make this term as 0. So to make this term as 0, we can change that R3 dash equal to R3 minus R2. So 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1, R3 minus R2 is 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, 0 0 0 again 0. Now therefore the rank of matrix is 2, because here the number of non-zero rows are, only 2. So the rank of this matrix will be only 2. So in the next video we will continue with some more problems. So thank you, we will continue in the next video.